Welcome to the Racing Tags Android app tutorial. To make the app work properly, follow the next few steps. Press and hold the app icon, then press on the tooltip icon to enter the app settings. In the menu, select Battery Settings, then select Unrestricted option so the app can work in the background while minimized. Then go to the phone main settings, select Battery Settings, and turn off the power saver to prevent the phone from putting the app to sleep. Once you are done, start the app, sign in, and from the main menu, click the play button to join the race. If you haven't already give permissions for location, you will get a prompt to allow the location sharing. You need to select while using the app, and then select Allow All the Time option. That will start sharing your location for the live tracking on the website. On the race screen, when you are ready, start recording the route by pressing the record button. This route will be used for route checking at the end of the race. On the finish line, press Stop button to save the route. Once it's saved, press the Upload button. Once it's uploaded, you can go to the home screen and turn off the location sharing as well. Pretty simple, isn't it?